get in there?
Yeah.
All right. Come on, over here. Come on, you gonna get in there? You gonna get in there this way or what? Oh, there we go. Oh, wow. Come look at this. Look at this. You see that? That's why they get on there, on the stretcher.
Big wheel.
Yeah, I know. Big wheel.
That looks old. The wooden ones.
You can't get all the way in there, baby. You see this one right here? You see the cassette?
Yeah.
You see the cassette?
Oh, yeah.
You see the cassette tape player right there? Yeah?
Yeah, I do.
You see it?
Yeah, cassette tape.
Isn't this cool? Come around here. Come here, Jabby. You can have one piece. One piece. Look, they have stuff for you. One piece, baby. Look at that. Go ahead, get in the back. Can you get in?
Can I go in that
Goodness me. Oh gosh.
Wow. Look at this.
Those cookies are good. Big truck up there, and then you want right here on the other side. Hi, JB. Look, JB. Okay.
And this is Charlie.
Oh, Charlie.
I decided to leave David home. He had to do it. Charlie's here, so we hope the righteous made free.
Oh, wow. Look at all of that.
We're gonna drag race together.
Yeah.
Better buckle.
Hi.
Put your buckle on. It's gonna get dangerous.
Where are you going, JB?
No, keep the door open. It's fine. He's done.
Okay.
This is a crane, a boom truck crane. Yeah, it can go about, the boom can go about 127 feet out. How, that's pretty tall.
Yeah, like up. Digging in the dirt.
Ooh.
Yeah.